Alright, today's November 25th, 2011. Looking at the Euro US dollar 5-minute chart. Let's just start off with a hourly chart real quick. Taking a quick look at things, price really broke down here. You can see the impulsive moves to the downside. Coming out of Thanksgiving here in the US, so it's pretty slow during the US session. During Asia, London, sellers really managed to pick it up, and you can see they're still selling it off here. So anyways, moving back to a 5-minute chart, this was the impulsive move, the first one of the night here. Kind of consolidated through here, broke down, came back up, fib from this high to this low. You can see it's a roughly 38% retracement, and then nice long look on the top side, outside bar, a bearish engulfing candle. Entered short on the close of this candle, stop on the high right here. As you can see, this wasn't just a quick rollover here. We were sitting here about 5 or 6 candles, so over 30 minutes right before we start to see this next leg down. So for me, I entered on the close there, and I actually exited early for a loss. Took -10 on this trade, and I can explain why real quick. So got in roughly around here when I closed that candle. Expecting the impulsive move to the downside. Didn't get that. We were sort of sitting. This is now a 1-minute time frame. Sitting. Let's see here. Sitting through this level here, you can see those support once, resistance, support through here, support here. Price came down. At that point, I had this trend line drawn in, this trend line drawn in, and we had this, pretty big move on a 1-minute chart, and it closed it right at the highs. At that point, I exited my trade because we hadn't seen any sort of reaction over the last 20, 30 minutes or so, and took a partial loss on that one. Looking at it now, in hindsight, a little exercise here. If we move the chart this way, pretty much what I'm looking at right when I got out, impulsive move down, what I thought was a corrective move here, expect another impulsive move, but relatively it makes it look like this is the impulsive and this is the corrective. So, not what I had planned to see. Took an exit there, and then as we develop and go forward, we do see a sell-off, past this low. So originally my target would have been essentially this horizontal level right here, which we just came in and tagged. So you can see that. Let me zoom out again real quick. We had this level coming in from down here. This swing point, we managed to break it. Came back, tagged it perfectly, rolled over, and now we have tagged this horizontal level. So the trade itself was was for 20 pips of profit on 15 pips of risk. Ended up exiting on -10. Accounting for the spread and whatnot. So. Come back at it again tomorrow, and this is, I guess, good enough for now.